Here's the Galaxy Book Pro 360. I got it from Best Buy. That's how it arrives. And there it is. So it comes in this big cardboard box, but you can see the actual box is quite small. That's a good sign. This is the 13-inch. And my goal with buying it was something small. There's a pen for reference. Here's the actual box. It's got some scratching. And I took the plastic off. And that's what's inside. So I'm hoping, why I really wanted this is the small charger I saw in some other reviews. It's like the size of a cell phone charger. Now it's heavy, but for travel I really wanted a smaller charger instead of the big Dell brick I have. So that's I can tell already that says USB-C and more like a cell phone. And then I'll just lift this lid off here. There's the cord underneath. Oh, and there's the pen. So I saw other reviewers, and thank you for those reviews, say the pen is nice. There's a pen. Again, like a normal pen I use for writing. And here's how it comes in this sleeve. Okay, here it is out of the sleeve, and just lifting it, I am shocked by how lightweight it is. And that's again been my goal with this, so we'll see. I'm not a professional tech reviewer. I leave that to the other videos, all the specs, but getting a lighter laptop that's more like a smartphone experience is my goal. Hey, there I am. So there's the keyboard and how big it is. I'm gonna try that. Now what I wanted to do, I got the Mystic Blue, and I saw other people say be aware of the fingerprints. Now, the only other thing I wanted to do is, I didn't see this in the reviews, at least that I watched, which I don't blame them because they were going through all the spec stuff, but I wanted to know how long this cord is. So I found a measuring tape. This is the cord on the Galaxy Book Pro, and it's about 70 inches. There, I'll push it there. And then I laid it out, and here's my measuring tape, and it's about 70 inches, which is, about 5 feet 10 inches. So there's the answer. It's quite good. I was hoping it was longer than a 3-foot cell phone cord, because my main goal with getting this laptop is for travel, and I wanted a lightweight cord. And again, here's the Galaxy Book. So like I say, I'm not doing a tech review like the others, but this is something I wondered about. How long is that charger that's included? And I realize you can get other chargers if they're compatible. So it's about 70 inches, which is 5 feet 10 inches for the Galaxy Book charger, and I'll give you a close-up of the specs on there, what it says. They call it a travel adapter, which is cool. And the plug does not fold in, which is okay, but that would have been even extra great. Here's my postal scale, and I've got the Galaxy Book Pro 360 13-inch, so we're gonna weigh it. And this says 2 pounds 4 ounces. So I think that's pretty accurate according to what I had saw published. Okay, here's the Galaxy Book Pro with the charger. It was 2 pounds 4.9. And so the charger, this is what I am so glad, is gonna only add about 5 ounces. Because for me, I bought this to travel, and then the pen, minimal. So what I'm looking at is how much weight is in my backpack, and I'm gonna really cut my weight to be 2 pounds 10 ounces with everything, including the charger, versus my old Dell brick. Here for reference is an old Dell Ultrabook I have, 14. You can see it's bigger, a little bigger, but 3 pounds 9 ounces. And then the big Dell brick charger, which this one's actually lighter than some I've had, gets you up to 4 pounds 5 ounces. So the charger alone, let me just see here, is like 12 ounces, almost a pound, whereas the Galaxy Book charger, this new USB-C, is going to be 5.8, so half the weight. So that's why I bought this laptop. I don't know anything about the performance so far, but I wanted to give you a quick look at the weight. And like, this Dell was my lightest Ultrabook laptop until of the Dells I have ones that are even heavier. These are older, refurbished. This was let's see, Latitude 6430U. But anyway, the whole goal is to cut the weight, and that's what I'm excited about with the Galaxy Book.